and it speeds up our metabolism, and you naturally lose weight in that level of heat because the body is trying to cool itself. But in the winter, even though it doesn't snow here, it can get down into the 30s at 34, 35 at night, sometimes, but average 40 degrees. You're covered up. You tend to gain more weight and store more body fat. And that, when we're talking about, I think it was Bergman's law, all of these things make so much sense. This is not, I mean, it's science, but really it's not rocket science. You know what I mean?
Yes,
it just makes sense. It's just look at how we are bodily affected seasonally during our little short lifetime, but then try to take that over a period, try to fathom that over a period of tens of thousands, millions of years, and how evolution can shape the human body. And then what I assume we're going to be talking about now is where what Dr. Edwin Nichols was talking about, and that is, we know how now the environment shaped and created and altered us physiologically, but then as a result of that environment, how did it shape us in terms of our epigenetics and in terms of our DNA and our psychological factors to survive in these various different climates that we either found ourselves in or were trapped in.
And when you look at our own mode of thinking, the idea of refrigeration, refrigeration was not, we invented refrigeration once we got here. But refrigeration is not a means of keeping food in Africa. They use salt, or they use other types of encasements that they created that could keep wheat or barley for long periods of time. Preservation of food. But refrigeration wasn't one of them.